Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The 6 types of lubrication systems, a comprehensive guide. Are you looking to expand your knowledge about lubrication systems and the vital role they play in various machinery and equipment including car engines? Understanding the 6 types of lubrication systems is crucial for anyone working in industries such as automotive, manufacturing, or heavy machinery. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into each type of lubrication system, providing a clear overview of its functions, advantages, and applications. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this article will equip you with the essential knowledge to optimize the performance and longevity of machinery through proper lubrication. So, let's dive in and explore the intricacies of these 6 crucial lubrication systems. Overview of lubrication systems. Lubrication systems play a vital role in ensuring the smooth operation and longevity of machinery and equipment. We will delve into the significance of lubrication systems and gain a clear understanding of their purpose. What is a lubrication system? A lubrication system is an integral component of machinery, responsible for reducing friction and wear between moving parts. It accomplishes this by introducing a lubricant, such as oil or grease, to the contact areas of the machine, thereby forming a thin film that separates the surfaces and minimizes direct metal-to-metal contact. This process aids in preventing wear, heat generation, and corrosion, ultimately enhancing the overall efficiency and durability of the equipment. Importance of lubrication systems. The importance of lubrication systems cannot be overstated, as they are paramount in maintaining the optimal functioning of various mechanical systems. By reducing friction, lubrication systems aid in preventing overheating, minimizing energy consumption, and extending the lifespan of machinery. Additionally, they contribute to smoother operation, reduced maintenance costs, and a significant decrease in the likelihood of mechanical failures. Without proper lubrication, machines are susceptible to increased wear and tear, leading to inefficiency, malfunctions, and potentially catastrophic breakdowns. Through the implementation of an effective lubrication system, industries can ensure the seamless operation of their equipment while minimizing downtime and maintenance expenses. In essence, lubrication systems serve as indispensable guardians, preserving the integrity and longevity of mechanical assets across a diverse range of applications. The 6 types of lubrication systems. When it comes to keeping machinery running smoothly, lubrication systems play a crucial role in minimizing friction and wear. There are 6 main types of lubrication systems, each designed to cater to specific requirements and operating conditions. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Splash lubrication system. This system works by immersing the gears or bearings in a sump of lubricant, typically oil, allowing the rotating components to splash through the fluid. The splashed oil then coats the parts, providing the necessary lubrication to reduce friction and heat generation. Mist lubrication system. In a mist lubrication system, a fine mist of oil is sprayed into the air around the moving parts, allowing it to settle on the surfaces requiring lubrication. This method is commonly used in applications where precise and minimal lubrication is required, such as in high-speed spindles and chains. Oil ring lubrication system. In an oil ring lubrication system, a rotating ring dips into the oil and carries it to the top of the ring's rotation, where it then drips onto the components in need of lubrication. This system is often found in smaller machinery and equipment. Pressure lubrication system. Pressure lubrication systems use a pump to deliver a controlled stream of oil to the components requiring lubrication, ensuring consistent and adequate oil supply. This method is commonly employed in heavy machinery and engines to maintain optimal lubrication under high load and speed conditions. Oil bath lubrication system. In the oil bath lubrication system, the components are partially submerged in an oil-filled compartment, allowing the moving parts to pick up the lubricant as they operate. This method is favored for its simplicity and effectiveness in providing lubrication to various types of machinery. Grease lubrication system. Grease lubrication involves the use of a semi-solid lubricant that is applied directly to the components or contained in bearing housings. This method is preferred for its ability to stay in place and provide long-lasting lubrication, making it suitable for applications with minimal access for maintenance. By understanding the different types of lubrication systems and their applications, machinery operators and maintenance professionals can make informed decisions to ensure the optimal performance and longevity of their equipment. Choosing the right lubrication system. When it comes to choosing the right lubrication system, several factors need to be considered to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Additionally, understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each system is crucial in making an informed decision. Factors to consider. Operating conditions. Evaluate the operating environment, including temperature, pressure, speed, and contamination levels, to determine the lubrication system best suited for the specific conditions. Equipment type. Different types of machinery and equipment may require specific lubrication methods. Consider the manufacturer's recommendations and industry best practices for the equipment in use. Maintenance requirements. Assess the maintenance capabilities and schedule of your facility to ensure that the chosen lubrication system aligns with your maintenance practices and resources. Cost and ROI. Consider the initial investment, ongoing maintenance costs, and potential return on investment of each lubrication system to determine its long-term viability for the organization. Advantages and disadvantages of each system. Manual lubrication. Advantages. Offers direct control, cost-effective for small-scale operations. Disadvantages. Labor-intensive, risk of under- or over-lubrication, potential safety hazards. Single-line resistance (SLR) system. Advantages. Centralized lubrication, reduced risk of contamination, suitable for large-scale operations. Disadvantages. Complex installation, higher initial investment. Dual-line resistance system. Advantages. Redundancy, precise lubricant delivery, suitable for high-pressure applications. Disadvantages. Higher maintenance requirements, and increased complexity. Circulating oil system. Advantages. Effective cooling and lubrication, suitable for high-speed applications. Disadvantages. Prone to contamination, higher operating costs. Oil mist lubrication. Advantages. Efficient lubricant distribution, and reduced oil consumption. Disadvantages. Requires precise setup and maintenance, potential mist inhalation hazards. Grease lubrication system. Advantages. Sealed system, suitable for harsh environments, longer lubricant life. Disadvantages. Limited applicability, potential over-greasing issues. By carefully weighing these factors and understanding the pros and cons of each lubrication system, businesses can make an informed decision that aligns with their operational needs and long-term objectives. Maintenance and best practices. When it comes to the smooth operation of lubrication systems, maintenance is key. By regularly inspecting the lubrication system and conducting proper lubricant analysis, you can ensure its optimal performance and longevity. Regular inspection and lubricant analysis. Regular inspections of the lubrication system are essential to identify any potential issues before they escalate into major problems. This involves checking for leaks, monitoring the condition of the lubricant, and ensuring that all components are functioning properly. Additionally, conducting lubricant analysis helps in understanding the state of the lubricant, identifying any contaminants, and determining whether a lubricant change is necessary. This proactive approach can prevent equipment failures and costly downtime. Proper lubrication procedures. Following proper lubrication procedures is crucial for maximizing the efficiency of the lubrication system. This includes using the correct type and amount of lubricant, adhering to recommended lubrication intervals, and applying the lubricant to the specified components using the appropriate methods. By following these best practices, you can ensure that the equipment operates smoothly and experiences minimal wear and tear, ultimately leading to prolonged service life and reduced maintenance costs. As we've explored the 6 types of lubrication systems, it's evident that each system has its unique advantages and applications. Understanding the specifics of each system is crucial for optimizing machinery performance, ensuring longevity, and reducing maintenance costs. Whether it's the simplicity of a manual system or the precision of a spray system, selecting the right lubrication method is essential for maximizing efficiency and minimizing wear and tear on equipment. By grasping the benefits and drawbacks of each system, maintenance teams and engineers can make informed decisions that align with their machinery's requirements. The diversity in lubrication systems provides a spectrum of options to cater to various industries and operating conditions. With this comprehensive overview, it's clear that the type of lubrication system chosen plays a pivotal role in the overall performance and longevity of industrial machinery. Each system presents unique characteristics, serving as a fundamental element in the smooth operation and maintenance of equipment across diverse sectors. Although we have presented this video as generally applying to any and all types of machinery, it is important to note that the engine of your vehicle is included. Choose the system that suits you best and go for it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.